Hold my hand.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be testing the bite of an antic from Philippines. Big ants, like fire ants, but bigger. I'm from the I'm in the Philippines right now. Oh, this is the forest. Okay, so we are going to test it out. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, another one. Let's look at it. Ready, set, go. Oi! Okay guys, so it doesn't hurt at all. See? I don't have marks, see? It doesn't hurt. You can
20
try.
seconds.
You
Aray.
you can try this at home. You can. There's so many right now. 20 seconds. Start now. Ah! Okay guys, it's the end of the video. Bye. Bye. We're in our house. It's planting right now. Yeah, you know. I'm not Filipino actually. I'm, from, somewhere else. I love the nature so much. I really love the nature. This is called... I really love the nature. My garden is, pretty much... Hey worker, come over here. So this is a spear, you can see. I love the nature so much. I really love it. I really love them. Yeah, see? I love nature. I have another worker there. I don't know her, I just hired her. I love the nature so much. Hey worker, what's up worker? She's not answering right now.
Hey, you are so ugly.
She's busy looking at her weight. Okay, so that's our second worker. Our other workers are not really working today, so I'll just fire them later. You can see my jungle is pretty large. See? Jungle.
Ano pong kailangan natin dyan?
Huwag niyo pong apak. Ay! I don't know Filipino words, but just salamat. Hey workers, salamat. Mahal kita. Mahal kita, Walker. This is our other challenge right now.
Yes.
As you can see, there is smoke. It's a volcano. It's going to be a volcano when it grows up like 1 to 2 years, I can touch it even though there's a lot of fire. Look at that, yeah. Okay guys. See? It doesn't hurt at all. The smoke is from this side, so let's touch it. It's good. Doesn't hurt. And that's another worker from my garden, What is she saying? Nani? What's that? What? Taranay, she say? Taranay, she say? Come on, work here. I'll fire you.